I'm Brandi Lee, and welcome to Tasteful Staging. Trim your tree with treasures from the sea. I found these shells on a trip to Mexico. The question is what to do with them. These easy-to-make jellyfish ornaments are the solution. Materials are shells, string, fringe, and paint. Step number 1, select your own color of paint. Here I used Martha Stewart's paints that stick to anything. I applied it with a rag and then wiped it off. That way I could see the different texture of the shell. Step number 2, to apply the fringe, insert a loop of thread into the hole and knot it around the fringe. Bring it up through the shell, and when you get to the top of the shell, wrap it around the hanging wire. Now we're finished with our jellyfish ornament. Join us next time for some more DIYs with Tasteful Staging.